This is part of a series of motivational videos to enhance your ability to manifest desired outcomes and empower your subconscious mind for personal growth using neurographic art. By consciously inserting these positive intentions into your neurographic art creation process, you will unlock the potential to establish a profound connection with your subconscious mind. This connection serves as a powerful tool for nurturing personal growth and facilitating the manifestation of your desired outcomes. Through this deliberate integration of positive intentions, you will tap into the innate power of your subconscious mind, allowing it to align with your aspirations and pave the way for transformative personal development. The company we keep plays a significant role in shaping our attitudes, beliefs, and actions. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences is essential for personal growth and success. When we choose our friends wisely and surround ourselves with people who uplift and inspire us, their positive energy becomes a catalyst for our own motivation and growth. Positive influences have a profound impact on our mindset and overall well-being. They are individuals who radiate positivity, have a growth mindset, and encourage us to be the best versions of ourselves. Their optimism, enthusiasm, and support can inspire us to reach higher, push through challenges, and believe in our own potential. When we are surrounded by positive influences, their positive energy becomes contagious. Their optimism and belief in us can boost our self-confidence and motivate us to strive for excellence. They provide a supportive environment where we can freely express our ideas, dreams, and aspirations without fear of judgment or negativity. In their presence, we are encouraged to take risks, step out of our comfort zones, and pursue our passions wholeheartedly. Positive influences can also serve as mentors and role models. They offer guidance, wisdom, and valuable insights based on their own experiences. Their success stories, resilience in the face of adversity, and determination can inspire us to overcome obstacles and persevere in the pursuit of our goals. By observing their positive habits and mindset, we can learn valuable lessons about resilience, optimism, and the power of a positive attitude. However, it is important to note that surrounding ourselves with positive influences does not mean surrounding ourselves with people who only offer praise and never challenge us. Constructive criticism and differing perspectives can also be valuable sources of growth. Positive influences are those who genuinely care about our well-being and growth, and they are not afraid to provide honest feedback and help us see areas for improvement. To cultivate positive influences in our lives, it is crucial to evaluate our current relationships and assess how they impact our overall mindset and goals. Seek out individuals who share similar values, aspirations, and a positive outlook on life. Engage in activities, groups, or communities that align with your interests and values, where you are likely to find like-minded individuals. It is also important to be mindful of our own influence on others. Just as we seek positive influences, we have the power to be positive influences for those around us. By radiating positivity, supporting others, and being a source of encouragement, we can create a positive ripple effect in our social circles and contribute to a mutually uplifting and inspiring environment. In conclusion, surrounding ourselves with positive influences is crucial for personal growth and success. Choose your friends wisely and seek out individuals who uplift and inspire you. Their positive energy, support, and guidance can fuel your own motivation and growth. By cultivating a network of positive influences, you create an environment that fosters optimism, resilience, and the belief in your own potential. So, surround yourself with positive influences and let their positive energy propel you towards the success and fulfillment. I pay attention while rounding off the sharp corners, allowing new connections to form and energize my goals. I perceive this as a flow of energy that leads to problem solving and strengthens my resolve. By repeating positive affirmations, I communicate with my subconscious, creating new neural pathways in my brain, promoting neuroplasticity. This brainwashing technique empowers me to rewire my mind, making my objectives a reality. Apply this same technique to every circle in your artwork. This will inject each circle with a unique significance, serving as a visual reminder when you display the artwork on the wall. By repeating the positive affirmations when viewing the piece, you can further reinforce the neural pathways associated with your goals, promoting their realization. When we focus on positive thoughts while rounding off corners, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to reduce stress and promote healing. This is because positive thoughts release chemicals like serotonin and dopamine in the brain, which can help to counteract the negative effects of stress hormones like cortisol. In addition, when we engage in the act of rounding off corners, we are activating different parts of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. By practicing neurographic art regularly, we can strengthen these neural pathways and create new habits of positive thinking and emotional regulation. Over time, these new habits can have a profound impact on our overall well-being, as research has shown that our thoughts and emotions play a significant role in our physical health. By focusing on positive thoughts and engaging in practices like neurographic art and mindfulness, we can create a positive feedback loop that promotes healing and well-being in both our minds and bodies. As you proceed to color your artwork, bear in mind the following tips. One of the coloring techniques in neurographic art involves using the same color or gradient in adjacent cells to promote the flow of movement. However, the most crucial aspect of coloring is your enjoyment and the incorporation of positive intentions and mindfulness to engage your subconscious mind in achieving the goals associated with each art piece. Trust your instincts when selecting colors that you find pleasing, and make the artwork uniquely yours, reflecting your personal style and aesthetic preferences. Your ultimate goal should be to create a visually appealing piece that is a representation of your individuality. I hope that this video has been helpful and gave you some insight into the thought process involved when using neurographic art to rewire your brain and communicating your positive intentions to your subconscious mind.